What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to another short, sweet, and easy update on Solana. So, what we're seeing from Solana right now has been a bit of consolidation after that big fall that we did see. But what's happening right now is we are at a bit of a coin flip. We're seeing some bullish indicators, some bearish indicators, and more. So I'm just going to give you a quick update about what you need to keep an eye out on and how this thing may or may not play out. So of course, what we can see immediately on the Solana charts is this inverse head and shoulders playing out. Now, whenever we see these inverse head and shoulders playing out coming off of a downtrend, that is typically a sign that we could be looking at some type of big move to the upside, okay? So what we need to be paying attention to at this exact moment is $221. That's going to be that key level that we're looking for. In the event in which we go back up and we clear $221, we can be looking at a very, very nice price target. Let's go ahead. Oops, let's do this. Let's make this a little better. There we go. We could be looking at a fantastic price target. Let's see. Go all the way down from the shoulder line, this little neckline, all the way to the bottom of our head. And what we're going to do is we're going to apply this to that same line. And that's going to give us a breakout target back up towards $257, which, just coincidentally, I guess, puts us right up towards this all-time high, okay? So we currently do have a pattern that puts us in, very within range of getting back up to our all-time high. Now, I do want to go ahead and say that it does seem as if this is very within the realm of possibility. If we look at something like total market cap 2, which is the total market cap of all cryptos, what we can see is that we saw a very, very important retest of a key level of support. What we know about total 2 is that we saw this cup and handle pattern playing out, in which we saw the cup, we saw the handle, and the breakout. Now, what generally happens is that we're going to break out, we're going to come back down to back test this level of support. So as you can see, we came back down, we lost it temporarily, but are looking to establish some support now on top of this previous cup line. So generally, if we do see a successful support establishment, we will see, boom, a continuation upwards with the breakout target of this cup and handle pattern playing out, which could put the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies that are altcoins, excluding Bitcoin, of course, around $2.28 trillion, which is substantially higher than it is now. So what that tells me about Solana is that if we're able to start holding some support, we definitely can be looking at a continued move back to the upside, with Solana establishing new all-time highs. What you need to be paying very, very close attention to on the short term is $221. Now, the only way in which we will invalidate this, when does this become, not even an inverse head and shoulders, but, just invalidate it, that's the best way to put it, is if we are to come back down and lose this head. So if we come back down and we lose the head of our inverse head and shoulders, that means that we are still setting lower lows and we're no longer setting any type of short-term higher highs. And that tells us that the downtrend continues. Now, the issue then becomes at that point that we were definitely be looking at a loss of, let's go ahead and get this pulled out, the daily 50 EMA. Remember that we have this so important daily 50 EMA currently sitting at $199. So if we were to come back down and lose the head of his inverse head and shoulders, we would also be looking at a loss of the daily 50 EMA, which could entail some type of pullback all the way towards $165 to $170. So right now, what you need to be paying extremely, extremely, extremely close attention to is this interaction here. We want to see this $221 level get cleared. Even if we have to bounce here for a while, that's fine. But as long as we're above $196 and we eventually clear this 221, we are looking at a massive move to the upside to a new all-time high. Many of our charts do support this move. You look at the hourly charts, we just got a massively bullish golden cross right here. Boom. Blue line crosses through the orange line. Now we just got to continue. If we look at the 4-hour charts, we're seeing a very similar picture play out in which we're just building up momentum coming out of this bearish territory. We'll look at the daily MACD. Just for even more of an example, it does seem as if we're finally starting to see this thing slow down a bit. This downward slope is starting to slow down and we may be looking to converge very soon. All of this to say that as long as we are above $196 and we start to work our way back above 221, I definitely do believe that we could be looking at a fantastic move to the upside. So if you are looking to buy Solana right now, what I would be doing is looking to see, can we get some 4-hour closes above 221? And if that is the case, do anticipate that some type of big move back up to 250, but even as far as $300 could be on the way. So that is going to be today's little short, sweet, and simple update on Solana. It seems like you guys really enjoyed the very short, straight to the point updates. If you do enjoy them, definitely do let me know in the comment section. I can kind of structure my videos like this a lot more, And if you do want more in-depth information and the ability to see the trades I'm making, my portfolios and everything, go down to the link in the description. Do go check out the Patreon. We have called so many trades, several trades just in the last couple months that have done 100% plus, 50% plus. So definitely do go check it out, as I think it does provide a lot of value. But with that being said, of course, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video again, and you can let me know by just simply smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel if you find my video valuable, and I will see you all very soon. Peace.